Righto guys, Foxy here. Got it all installed up now, the car's running. Looks pretty good. Nice and neat. Doesn't seem to be too much blow by on this car. A little bit of, only just a tiny bit of smoke. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes, but yeah. Just runs down there, down through the guard. Just got a cable tied just there holding it on, and I'll probably mount it a bit more permanent, but just under the car there with the cable tie. Yeah. So I'll just show you what tools I used. So you'll need a pair of pliers, an extension bit. I used 13mm socket. I used, what's this bastard, 12mm socket. This one is a 8mm socket, just a small shifter, and a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Oh, that's a good trick guys. If one of the bolts on the to the bracket there is a real prick to get to, so if you shove a little bit of tape inside the socket, the bolt will actually stick in there so you don't drop it. And while I had the cover off, just sprayed everything with Lanox. I love this shit, so I just spray it on everything. But yeah, all in all, pretty easy job. So I reckon the Hummel and Mann, or the Mann Hummel, was worth 300 bucks. Well, don't know, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's plastic, seems sturdy enough. Makes a clicking noise when you got it tight. We'll just see what the fuel looks like after running for about 10 minutes. Yeah, it's still clean, so we'll give this thing a flogging and see how it goes. Hopefully it stops the intake from clogging up. Anyway, Triton looks nice and tidy. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. Catch up.